And once again, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome aboard On Flight. Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to our flight attendants. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, now's a good time to insert that metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it's tight across your hips. So open your seatbelt at the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs, and most importantly, crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking, and this does include the e-cigarette. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy a laboratory smoke detector. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 2 exit doors forward of the wings, 2 exit doors behind the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the aircraft. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of this airplane can be detached and used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor that guides to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind your closest exit may be right behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen mask will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with seatbelt fastened. Pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. You must remove your face mask before placing the mask over your nose and mouth. Strap the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten. Put your mask on first before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate.